Hi. I'm having one of those paralyzing mornings where I have so much to do. I only have one day to do it, and therefore I can't do anything. And I've been spending my morning on my computer just trying to organize a video that I'm working on, and like get photos and like bullet points so that it's like nice and structured. But it's 11:22 and my house is a disaster. So my in-laws are coming next weekend and I have a lot of prep to do for them coming. Fortunately, I can send Elliot on a couple of tasks this weekend, but I'm only off today this week because I'm choosing to work on Saturday. I don't want to miss 2 Saturdays of work. With the way this business works, like you have to be there on the Saturdays so that you can like make connections with people. I'm on my second coffee. Yesterday was the last day of the month, so leading up to then, I've only had like one day off. Again, by choice. I am a workaholic, but it's paying off. So, anyways, I need to clean. Wait till you guys see this kitchen. It's embarrassing. But again, I haven't been home. Like, I've been working, I come home, I eat dinner, I go to bed. Like, so, whatever, I have excuses. So my kitchen's a mess. And when I don't want to clean, something that I find helpful is having company. And I was like, well, I don't know anybody. There's no one that can come over and like hang out with me while I clean. I have you guys. So I hope this isn't the most boring, but I need you guys to clean with me. I'm going to make a good playlist. We're going to have fun. And hopefully you guys like cleaning videos where it's like kind of satisfying to see the before and after. It's bad. It's so bad. I'm so embarrassed. This is reality, okay? Welcome to my disgusting kitchen. And this can happen in just a couple days, okay? Elliot and I are both just like, you know, ADHD style. Self-diagnosed, of course, but we all have it. Everybody has it. That's my take. Do you see how I'm procrastinating tilting the camera down? Something about my personality I don't want you guys to see. I don't want you to see. I'm showing you. I'm doing it. Oh my god, rip the Band-Aid. It's bad. Now, this cabinet is open because I was starting to take out the recycling. So, it's not that bad. I just have to empty the dishwasher and get all this stuff in there. The dishwasher is clean, you know? Okay, here we go. There's more, but wait, there's more. Laundry stuff. In the middle of filling the Brita, just can't finish that task. You know? Okay. I'm gonna put on music. You're gonna watch a beautiful transformation. And thank you guys for hanging out with me. It really means so much. Maybe you guys can clean too. Like it'll help you clean. You can just like prop me up somewhere. We can just like do it together. Okay. Let's go. Ooh, very important step. You have to have good smells when you're cleaning. Sometimes there's bad smells. So we're gonna light my candle in my body. But we're gonna light this baby. I will link this. It's like a vanilla-y Centoli mint. Everybody who buys it loves it, so you should get it too.
Hi, Poochie Poochies. Love you, love you, love you.
have to take a break because I have to get ready to film my other video. If I don't do that now, /film now, I'll lose all momentum. I have to film like before a certain time or I'm incapable. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. It's gonna feel the same. I don't even know why I'm talking. Well, I'm gonna look different when I come back. Okay, bye. She's back. So, I'm on to coffee number 3. And I want to share with you my coffee cocktail as of late because this is all I have been drinking unless I get coffee not at home. 1 espresso pod, and then I do a splash of this delight hazelnut, very fancy. And then I top it off with a good glob of full fat Oatly. Has to be full fat or I will throw a little tantrum. Then I put in an ice cube. I like it to be a big rocks cube. Because I feel like it doesn't melt as fast and it feels like a little bougie little treat. I'm procrastinating again. I don't want to. I'm gonna watch YouTube and keep going on this kitchen. The rest of my house is kind of fine. It's just the kitchen. And then we'll probably go to the bathroom. Look at me, I'm procrastinating, do you see? Okay. TikTok or whatever. I don't actually go on TikTok, but that's what I say instead of Reels. This person was cleaning and they dust their toilet before they clean it. I dust my entire bathroom before I clean it because I have 3 animals. So, and it's so much easier to clean when there's no fur everywhere. So that's what I do. I use these. They're for your Swiffer. I use them by hand and I just dust everything and then I clean. My sink is riddled with fur because Batty is obsessed with drinking out of the sink. So I got her and it's for all the animals, but specifically for her so she'll stop drinking out of the sink. I got her one of those water things. It hasn't come yet. But it has like a little spigot. It has like a little faucet. So the water comes out and then it has like filters and whatever, it's antimicrobial. And you can just throw it in the dishwasher. But I'm very excited to get my sink back because, I mean, we're constantly cleaning this thing. And if you let it go longer than 2 days, it's disgusting. So, stuff you didn't care about.